the next topic of chapter 15 on page 1110 is ways to minimize the risk posed by landslides. Okay, so we are going to do that. There are certain precautions that should be taken to avoid the risk posed by landslides. That means they are telling you that what are the safety measures you should take whenever you have a landslide. Put number 1. Vegetation cover protects land from landslides and soil erosion. Vegetation cover means that you should plant number of trees. If there is a plant or a forest cover in the land area, definitely the points of landslides, the chances of landslides and soil erosion will be very less. Okay, so we should try to plant more trees and try to have lots and lots of vegetative cover all around the place. So number of trees, the more number of trees, the better, and it will help to avoid the landslides and soil erosion. Therefore, efforts should be made to maintain greenery, particularly on slopes. Greenery means you have to plant your trees and small plants. It should be all green, there should be greenery around. So you have a very important point to be noted, that greenery, vegetation, growing of plants, afforestation has to be followed if we want to avoid landslides and soil erosion. Soil erosion is what? When the topsoil, it gets eroded away when you have floods or when you have the landslide, and the topsoil is the most fertile soil. Okay, so if that topsoil will get eroded away, you cannot grow any kinds of plants on that soil. It will take another many years to grow the crops again and to make that land fertile. Okay, so it is very important that we should grow trees. We should follow afforestation, that means planting of trees, more and more trees. Then write number 2. Before building houses on steep slopes, people should collect information about the site and the history of landslides in the area. That means if you are staying in a hill slope, then you should first find out about the place, how the place is, whether it is safe to build a house on that or not. If the place is not safe, just don't build your house with your closed eyes. You need to find out about the place. You need to find out whether it is nice and safe for you to build a house on a particular slope. Then only you should go and build your house on steep slopes. Okay, so information regarding the place where you are going to build your house is very important before you start building your house on the steep slopes. Then write number 3. If the residents of the area have to evacuate the place, they should do it immediately and without wasting time in collecting the belongings. That means if you hear about the landslide taking place, then you should not go and collect all your important belongings कि जल्दी चलो अपना सारा सामान कलेक्ट कर लेते हैं, पता चला जब तक सामान कलेक्ट किया तब तक लैंडस्लाइड आ गया. You should not do that. Okay, immediately you hear about the landslide, you have to vacate that place. You have to go away from that place. You have to leave that place and go to a safer place, and don't waste your time in collecting all your important belongings कि चलो हम पैसे ले लेते हैं, अपनी ज्वेलरी ले लेते हैं, ये ले लेते हैं. No, you don't have to waste your time in that. You just have to simply vacate that place. You have to evacuate that place and go to a safer place the moment you hear about the landslide, and don't waste your time in collecting your important belongings. Then put number 4. If rocks are falling, one should find shelter behind trees or other solid objects. So this is very clear that if you see rocks falling, then you should immediately go and take shelter behind the big trees, okay, and other solid objects. If you find anything solid like a big boulder, which is not moving, which is stationary, which is just there, you can go and hide behind it. You can go and hide behind the trees. You can find any solid objects where you think that if you go and hide behind it, you will be saved. Okay, so these are all the 4 points which you should keep in mind whenever the landslide takes place, or if you are staying in those areas which is a landslide prone areas. Thus, by following different security measures and different precautions, one can at least reduce the risk associated with natural disasters, if not completely avoid it. That means if you are staying in the areas which are all prone to the natural disasters of cyclones or earthquakes or landslides or droughts or floods, then you should follow these steps. You should always keep in your mind all this what we have studied. At least, we can avoid the risk of losing our lives and losing our property. We cannot stop these natural disasters, okay? But at least if we follow these safety measures, if we follow these security measures, then at least we are able to avoid these natural disasters harming our life and property, okay? So this is all we did about the safety measures which you should take while any kind of natural disasters occur in the place where you are staying.